Hello and welcome to 2799 Lochmoor Boulevard in Lake Orion Township. Hey, this is a great property, first floor living. You've got a master suite on the first floor laundry. Look how beautiful this room is. Gas fireplace. Starting price of $415,000. Let's take a quick view through here. Hey, if you get an opportunity, hit subscribe. I certainly do appreciate it. Gorgeous hardwood flooring. They do have new carpeting, new paint in the house. It's pretty much move-in ready. But this property offers a lot of really cool features. Not only do you have wonderful space all located on the first floor, but you get a beach membership with this. That's right. You get Voorheis Lake, and it's a private beach club you're part of. You can go down there, go boating, enjoy those summers. You got this great master suite on the first floor with a walk-in shower. Upstairs, you have two very large bedrooms, a full basement, attached two-car garage. You really can't go wrong on this property. So to schedule your private showing, give me a call at 248-214-4105. You don't want to miss out on this. It's a very clean, move-in ready property. And it's in a great community, all kinds of neat amenities. So if you're looking to not only get a new home, but to change your lifestyle, this might be the best house for you. Canterbury Village is right next door with all of its events, the amphitheater. All these items just in walking distance from where you're at. The Keatington Beach Association, you would become a proud member of. That's what it looks like in the winter. And with a little AI, that's what it's going to look like this summer. Don't miss out. Step into your new lifestyle.